I think pinagtatawanan lang namin kasi for each position may mga nicknames na kami. Tama, Derek.
Like?
Na-movie na lang.
So, yung pinaka-challenging talaga dito is when I first met Denise, siyempre, first time working with her tinanong ko agad, how old are you? Parang, kasi I want to break that barrier na hindi ko na-expect na at that time, Denise, 19, no? Sabi mo sa akin 19? Or you were just joking? Si Denise?
Oh, hello.
Sabi mo 19? Oh, yun. So, medyo kinabahan ako kasi sabi ko siya, sabi ko, tangin, ilan taon na ako? 42, tapos 19. Sorry. 19. So, sabi ko, kailangan magka-rapport kagad kami kasi first time namin to work together. So, talagang tinrabaho namin on the first day na magkaroon kami kagad ng immediate bonding kasi ang role namin dito mag-asawa. Actually, syempre with every director, iba-iba yung take nila sa love scenes na sinushoot nila and kung ang medyo lang dito, I think remarkable and memorable is I think when me and Denise shot our love scene, parang first time ko yata gumawa ng ganung mga scenes na multiple positions. So, I think yun yung aabangan nila. Kasi never ko pa nagawa yung mga scenes na nagawa namin ni Denise sa ibang movies na nagawa.
So, yun yung most unforgettable para sa iyo?
Yeah, I think for this, for Cara Cruz, kasi yun na.
For other movies?
I think pinagtatawanan lang namin kasi for each position may mga nicknames na kami. Tama, Derek.
Like?
Na-movie na lang.
So, hindi, lang yun. Parang sa set joke lang yun So, parang... I don't think I'm in the position to rate anyone's pero ang ganda ng question ni Tito Mario. Wala pa ako sa position na I can rate someone because nakita ko naman na tinrabaho ni Denise yung role niya. And every time na nagkakamali siya, hindi, kunyari, i-correct ni Direk. Kasi ang hirap ng dual role niya So sometimes nami-mix niya yung delivery nung isa ni Adela at ni Lena. Pero open siya parati and she's always ready to accept and adjust kung ano yung sinasabi ni Direk. And masaya siya katrabaho kasi siya parang eager to learn and eager to perform talaga. So, magaling siya dito kasi yun nga, almost, I think every scene magkasama kami. For me, actually, I was going through, hindi naman depression, but sad moment before we did this movie. My dad passed away just recently. So, I think ito yung first project na ginawa ko after my dad's passing. So, ito yung escape. Kumbaga, acting is my escape. Escape from reality. Escape from yung feeling ng depression and anxiety. So, yeah, I think recently lang naman. Pero nung time ng pandemic, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng anxiety or depression because I focused on a lot of things. I tried going sa real estate business and focusing more on yun nga, since nung time na yun before pandemic, I think 2 years yung show namin nun before sa ABS. So yun yung naging pahinga, pero may mga nagawa naman projects in between. Ano, hindi ko yata iniisip yun. Hindi, ewan ko, hindi ko siya masyadong binibigyang pansin yung sabihin ko na sexy ako. Parang hindi ko pa naman yata nasabi sa sarili ko. Ewan ko ha. Isa Luis, isa yung si Adrian. Yung Luis, siya yung medyo, I think, talagang kinuwento yung past din. No? Siya yung medyo parang risk, hindi naman risk taker, pero parang medyo mas may walang pakialam sa sarili. Medyo self-centered. And yung Adrian, I think, is the better version, or I think is more tamed and more real. Mas totoong tao yung Adrian. Kung sino talaga. Hindi yung Luis kasi parang lumaki sa showbiz eh. Dark side ko, I think, pag hindi nakapagkape sa umaga. Or, yun. Parang, ano sa akin, caffeine, ang coffee. Kailangan. Kasi kung hindi, iba yung mood ko talaga the whole day.